Don't bite my Mimi. You usually have... Ow. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Pauline, and this is my tiny corner for first-time moms. If you share the same experiences, if you share the same struggles, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down there so that you will be notified for a new video. So if some of you might be wondering why I did not do like the gesture and hand stuff, because Paula right now is nursing. For today's video, I'm just gonna quickly do a run through of our naps. So before, Paula would have 3 to 4 naps. That was when she was tiny, and now she's 10 months old. We currently would have 2 naps, 1 in the morning and 1 in the afternoon. She's growing too fast. Like, moms, parents, please cherish every moment with your baby because they grow up so fast and you just don't notice. Like, every single day there's like different changes in development. So yeah, I'm gonna run through today's nap. So she just had her bath. You can see her hair is wet. She's currently nursing and she mostly nursed to sleep, so I'm gonna put her on her first nap today, her morning nap today. It's 11:10 at the moment. She would usually, again, as I've mentioned, she would usually have, that's the struggle of nursing a baby. Are you done? Are you done? Are you done? Let's have our nap now. Are you ready for your nap? Come on. Let's go. It's funny because she calls the breast Mimi. Mimi, which means milk. So I'm just so surprised about the things and the words that she learns every day. It's so fascinating. Ow. Snap na, oy! Ba. Ba. She probably is on her growth spurt as of the moment, because she was asleep from 11 o'clock. Let's eat some lunch. She had a long nap this morning, so I'm gonna feed her lunch now, and I'll see you guys later for her afternoon nap. So I just got out of shower. You can see my hair is wet. It's time for her afternoon nap now. Again, as I've mentioned earlier, she usually would nurse to sleep, so I'm currently nursing her. As you can see, her eyes are so sleepy already. But she had a really good long nap this morning, so I would expect a short, brief nap this afternoon. So we'll see. Don't bite my Mimi. Don't bite. It hurts. It hurts, mommy. Ah. I gave up. I think this madam right here decided not to sleep this afternoon. No, you come sleep. What's that on your mouth? What's that on your mouth? Let me see. Okay. So, I don't think we're having any naps this afternoon. She's having a lot of energy, as you can see. And I don't think a nap is going to happen. Let's just hope that she's not gonna be fuzzy tonight. Look at her. Hi! Hi, baby! Hi! Say hi to them! Say hi! Hi, baby! Yee. When you talk about naps, I won't suggest, like, although it should be in your routine to like let them sleep in the morning and in the afternoon, don't force yourself or the baby, because you will get disappointed in the end, especially you as the mom, because one, your baby won't sleep, you won't be able to do lots of chores and other things compared to when they are asleep, and two, you will feel bad as a mom because that mom guilt again will take into place because you were not able to follow the routine that you scheduled for yourself and your baby. So if you haven't set a rigid schedule for your baby snaps, then don't even bother. That's my only advice. So instead of putting Paula to her nap, we probably would head out to get some fresh air. I thank you guys so much for staying with me on this journey as a first-time mom. I'm so blessed to have you guys. If you enjoyed this one, please give it some like, share this away to your mom friends, and subscribe down there so that you will be notified if we upload a new video. So yeah, again, this is Pauline and that's my daughter Paula. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.